hope you all are doing well, hope you all are doing fine. I am Mariam Gangarjiwala, basically drama, and hope everything's great at your side. Today I'm in my room sitting down and doing this only because I want to give it a try. My friend who edits my video, she told me, try doing it sitting down as well. And I was like, yeah, why not? And today I'm going to talk about these 3 web series, Dark, Peaky Blinders and Black Mirror, because मैंने vlog किया है इसके ऊपर, when I had binge watched all of them and I haven't reviewed them or given my experience, so I'm going to do that. So let's see. The first show I'm going to be talking about is the Peaky Blinders, a British web series available on Netflix. This show is set in the 20th century. Main character of the show is the Thomas Shelby, played by Cillian Murphy. This show talks about this family called the Shelbys, who are basically, कहते हैं ना कि हमारे यहाँ पे होते हैं ना, like अरे the Sharmas and the Gupta, वैसे Shelbys है for Birmingham. This show is set in the city called Birmingham in England, and the entire beauty of the show lies in the way it's made, the set's been made, because you can exactly feel how the Industrial Revolution was there even then. This family it starts in dealing with horses, horse races, what's that, and then it obviously extends, and there's a lot of politics and a lot of stuff which goes on. There's a lot of love stories and a lot of breakups and a lot of shootings. What I liked about this show and what I enjoyed about this show was very honestly the entire set, completely as I mentioned. Apart that, I think gave a very different sense of acting to it. Like Thomas Shelby, Cillian Murphy plays this very, very good role, and all of them show how mentally fucked they are when they're doing so much and what they lose with time. They also talk about that when you are a kingdom, or when you're like a king, I'm not saying in terms of they are a king, I'm saying when you have a very high position, how does romance in your life play? What are your family issues? Because they all are a family dealing with one certain issue together, and family stays constant. These are things what I really liked about the show. Please do watch this show and let me know how did you like it. So I'm going to talk about is Black Mirror. Now Black Mirror का कोई कहानी मैं बोलूँगी नहीं, because it's basically about 22 or 20 exactly 22 episodes है. It's not a continuous web series. 22 episodes are talking about specifically something different. Now this all is sci-fi set in, or superficial life set in another world, parallel world, or you could say this could be this. All of this could happen years later when technology grows. Personally, I do not like watching stuff like this. मैं इतनी engrossed नहीं हूँ, but मुझे ये काफी सही लगा. They picked some great topics. Now I obviously do not remember or did not like all of them, but when I started watching it, what I liked is 1 घंटे 10 मिनट के है और पूरी कहानी उन्हें बता दी है हमें. अभी वो खींचा नहीं जा रहा कि वेब सीरीज नहीं बन रही, which is great. हर एपिसोड, हर कहानी इतनी यूनिक है, it just bloody blows your mind. It's very simple. They are sitting there to blow your mind. Now, one of them is about how a Tinder match is made or how a Hinge match is made, and they have an entire story behind it. That these people meet in a parallel world and they have to fight a course, and then the Tinder match is made. One of them is made that this Prime Minister has been told to go and have sex with a pig on camera. This is the first episode. One of them is that these dogs are not dogs. There are these technological animals जहाँ से guns निकलते हैं if they see human beings. Those are dogs in that time. Then there are stuff जहाँ पे a lot of this has something to do with your eyesight and brain. So a lot of this is same that way. That you have a chip put here and then you see what they want to show you. Show is very unique, very well done, and मजा किस बात में आता है ना कि तो it's the least expected thing. One of them is about her husband passes away and then she gets a contact list where she could make her husband out of silicon or a material like that, and he's a proper real life person who's there, who has complete emotions, whose everything is existing, and you're like, what if this could happen? So you could actually relive someone's death. So this all is there. It's a lot more. There are 22 episodes. मैंने तो गिनती से 4-5 कहे होंगे. But do watch it and let me know how did you like it. Gangarjiwala basically drama, and I already did that. What are you doing right now? Oh, you already did this. So what are you going to do right now? I'm going to try and review the episode Dark, like the show Dark. You're gonna try and explain these people Dark. She's joking. Like example, I am dating Vicky Kaushal. It's the same joke. Yeah, I'm going to try and explain them. Dark, so now can you shh? So guys, the third show I'm going to explain is Dark, which is a German web series. This show talks about time travel, and that's exactly all I can say about it. Because मैं थोड़ा सा दे दूँगी spoiler हो जाएगा, but this show has blown my mind with the direction, and this show took like 3 years. Like it's not something which has come like immediately. They have three seasons. They have a cave. Stay with me. They have a cave. Now, if you go through this cave, you go through 33 years in the past, 33 years in the future, and then there's a time machine made which can allow you to do that. अब ये शो का बेस है, ठीक है. अब इसमें बहुत कुछ है. उसमें there have been so many complications of who is whose father, whose son, whose mother, whose aunt वाला scene है, because it's like now I am here, and if I go 33 years before and I will still be 18 plus 33, and then who I am then would be the logic. शो का ये बेस है. डू वॉच इट. थोड़ा सा माइंड इच ब्लून वाला सीन है पूरे कहानी में, बट इट्स नॉट एज डिफिकल्ट इफ यू फोकस थ्रू इट, बिकॉज आई हैड टू वॉच इट इन लाइक 3 or 4 days. So I was very much with the show, because others who have followed the show across the years, उनको समझ नहीं आ रहा है कि क्या चल रहा है ना, क्योंकि ओके ये इसका ओके तो ये कौन है वाली बात थी. The show has maintained a very good sense of when I am today 1866 or whatever. They have maintained a zone of time and how it is and how is it dressing sense then. वो बड़ा ही sense में रखा है, and it also goes 33 years in future. जब Earth almost demolished हो गया है, this shows us that from where we were, where have we come, what are we, who are the villains, who are the actual villains, what are we trying to gain, could there be a time machine or no, और ये सब कहानी है. Do let me know if you liked it. Let me know if you actually want me to do stuff like this. And do you all want me to watch more web series? Recommend you more web series? Let me know. The entire zoom in thing is an experiment. I would want to know how could I improve with that. Should I do that at all or no? This is something I got inspired through Lily Singh. Lisa Koshy also does that, but मैं इनसे inspired हुई हूँ. I am not saying this is my original idea. मैं काफी upfront हूँ इस बारे में. But let me know if did you all like it, right? I'm trying to do this with a movie review. Does it make it more fun? Does it make it boring? So you guys let me know, and then I will talk. Also like, comment, share, subscribe कर देना ना please. और also let me know if you like my style. Okay ना, I am experimenting because I get the option to. तो मैंने ये random check shirt लिया है, झुमके डाल दिए, basic अपना काजल लिपस्टिक लगा दिया. मैं नहीं लगाती हूँ मेकअप, ये सबको पता होना चाहिए by now who are on my channel. I do not like it. Also it's too risky for me to try and attempt because clearly I have acne. So yeah, otherwise have a great weekend guys. Bye bye, take care, see you all next time.